So now we're just going to go back up here. So we just go to the home. How many of you have dug or digged a page? Is there something, you know, back in the 60s? Not that I know anything about that. Back in the 60s, we used to say, dig it, dig it, dig it. Everyone say dig it, dig it, dig it, okay? Well, someone that was really creative and smart created this thing called dig.com. Yeah, so what we did was, each one of the press releases, and this has something to do with the internal designers in iNetGlobal that build websites every day, that build blogs and things like that. We want to make sure that this got out to a whole different community, okay? Not just our 28,000, we want to make sure the public got to it. So I'm right here, I clicked on this story, I think I like it. So I'm going to dig it. I'm going to click on that. It says submit under dig. I'm going to show you something. It says we are digging through your submission. I just want to show you these different processes of when you're here in Canada and you sell a press release and you go to the V-Newswire page and it's posted, it might be dug by us in Minneapolis. We want you to dig it too. When you go to V-Newswire and you see something you like, dig it. Okay? So when you look at the title here, gotta be careful because there's extra information all the time. Excuse me. Okay? What I do is I take out the V-Newswire.com, I just put the title, and I open up another page. I go back to V-Newswire, and there's a reason why I'm doing this. I'm going to go down to that press release. I'm going to click on it again. And this is just one way to do this. And I'm going to copy as much as I possibly can. I already know how much it takes. Like that. I'm going to go back to dig. And I'm going to drop that in right there. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. Now, dig is going to ask you, choose the thumbnail that best represents your submission. Well, we want to use a picture that we're there with. Okay, fine. Excuse me. And we're saying, would this be technology? No, we're going to say business and finance. Okay? We're going to use that category. Then it's going to ask you, are you human? That's not funny. Some people are from outer space. G. Thank you. It's actually 10 o'clock. Now, I just dug that submission. And under his success, your story has been submitted. In the next few minutes, your story will appear in the upcoming series selection in the topic Business and Finance. That alone, ladies and gentlemen, that piece there alone is powerful. Okay? Because with dig, and I'm going to take you one more place, but with dig, you have an audience that is in the millions for each category. I mean, CEOs, corporate CEOs around the world dig stuff. They think it's cool. You know, you go back and dig. So we just dug the story. Oops. Let me go to the back. Let me go back here. Now, when you see that there, after you've dug your press release, and you'll do this for your business. The reason why I'm showing you this is once you see us put this up on V-Newswire, you're going to do it here for that business owner. Okay? If you ever, make a pact with me. If you ever see a press release for Toronto on V-Newswire, dig it. Let's say it. Dig it. Dig it. Thank you. This builds capacity. Now you have opportunity. How many here have Twitter pages? Well, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Gracias, senor. Twitter? Ever use Twitter? See, and we can help you with that. Small phone charge, $9.99.95. Yeah, we do that. We can let people. We have a great social networking guy in the office. His name is Reach. Incredible. Just I mean, I can't even say enough about it, so I won't say anything. So now you have an opportunity to Facebook this. Now, some of us, how many people here have Facebook pages? Okay. What you do is, you're usually using the same computer all the time that you use for Facebook or whether you're signed in. So this is my computer here. I have a couple computers, but this is like my baby. I always use this one. So what I want to do with this, and I'm just showing you something, giving you an example. Am I good? Okay. I'm going to actually send this to my Facebook page. I'm going to share it. Okay. This was successfully posted to my profile. Oh, interesting. Well, I don't believe you. Let's see. Huh? You see that? You see how that's not magic. It's just how it works. You have a Facebook page, I got like almost 2,000 friends. I want them, first of all, to know that I'm in Canada. Second of all, we're doing business up here. Third of all, I can put it on my Facebook page. So every press release that you dig, you have the opportunity of sending it to Facebook, Twitter, and a couple other places if you want to. But I have a Facebook page, so that's where it's going right now. It's going to my Facebook page. So my feed, my friends, we all know about this, that we use Facebook. They'll see it. So let's go back here to the dig. We just dug a V-Newswire press release. Do we want to Twitter that? I think so. So you click Twitter. Well, it's asking me to log in. I'll go ahead and make them feel good. I'll log in. Oops. Okay. So now we're logged in. Now, it already takes the URL on Dig and the title of the press release from V-Newswire and puts it up there on your Twitter account. Okay? So let's look. That's the V-Newswire Twitter page. Have you ever seen a Twitter page like that, custom done? Yeah, okay, we do that. You have the opportunity as iNetGlobal marketing consultants and experts to make this happen for any business in the Toronto area. I'm going to repeat myself one more time. You as iNetGlobal members have the opportunity to go to any business and say, we can create you a custom Twitter page with your logo on it for your business that you have to administrate. We have that capability for iNetGlobal. You are iNetGlobal members. You sign up. There's products and services that you use. We could do this. This is done in the office. The guy is great at it. He just, you should see what I had up there. I was like hiding because there was flowers and lines, and he goes down. No, it's not going to happen like that anymore. I said, thank you. Because some of that stuff I don't know how to do. I run to Andy and these guys every day. Panic. This design is off. Oh, all you got to do is this. And you're really embarrassed because it was just a minor thing. But it gets done. So getting back into Twitter, all you have to do is hit update. It's done. V-Newswire, Canada's 50 best managed companies. And then we can click on that URL on Twitter, or your friends can. It goes back to that. Then we can click on, and it's going to take you right back to V-Newswire. We just closed circle on the World Wide Web. We went from point A to point B back to where we started from. We're talking about traffic to websites here. Okay, we just created a whole stream of traffic to V-Newswire in less than 5 minutes. Okay, it was that easy. You don't have to be a technological guru to do this stuff. You just have to do it. Okay, that's it. Hey, how you doing, Shelly? Okay, so what I just showed you there with V-Newswire is, and my dig is changed to number 1. So let me see. I want to make sure you guys see that. See, it's been dug by Lonely Old Me, right there. Okay, it's been Twitter, and we did all that in less than. Some of you have messages.